Alright guys, gonna have a bunch of different things in a rotation today, but I'm starting out with this Artic Spinner. Bryan, a Michigan fisherman, has been fishing with these. I'll leave a link. You want to check out some of his stuff using these spinners. Want to give them a try. They look pretty nice, and I know he's been doing good with them, so stay tuned. Oh, that looks good in the water. Second cast, guys, with the Artic Spinner. Alright. Nice. Second cast. Should have left it rolling. Alright guys, here we go again. It's like the fourth cast. We got a walleye here this time. Nice. Artic Spinner catches them all. Alright guys, little baby walleye. Nice. What's that? 4 casts, 2 fish. Alright guys, there's number 3 on the Artic Spinner. Oh yeah. Alright. Nice little fatty there. Oh, you got something going on. Alright, buddy, get back out there. Alright, guys, here's another one. Oh, in the fast water, and he's off. Alright, guys, a little bit faster water here. Hey, largemouth. There we go, 4 fish, and we're at a multi-species already. Well, largemouth, alright. I'm using a 1/4 ounce Artic Spinner. I'll probably, after seeing it in person and seeing how good it looks in the water, I'll be doing another order for a little bit bigger one. Probably be good for muskie. What I really like is the tail. Instead of being any feather like normal spinners, it's the same thing as skirt on a spinner bait, which is nice. Alright guys, I switched over to a zoom. Oh, you got a largemouth. Oh, nice. Not a zoom, a storm. Oh, he choked it. Look at that. I just switched over to this here. Bargy. Nice. Yeah, that's the storm shad there. Figured I'd switch over to that. Alright, let's get on the water release on this guy. Hey, look at that, guys. I guess you can find crappie in the Delaware when you're targeting them. Nice. Got that on the bottom. We got the double set rig. Alright, cool. Nice crappie. Alright guys, I threw out the old Bogey lure crankbait. It's alright. There you go. You got a little baby smallie showing some love. We'll take it. Alright. Back to the Artic Spinner. Alright. There we go, guys.
Hey guys. I know it's going to be hard to see. I'm trying to zoom in.
First time I've ever seen a loon here on the Delaware in my section ever. Never saw one before. Here's a little bonus footage of me and Steve out on the Delaware a couple weekends ago. Wasn't the best fishing, but we got on a few, so here's a couple highlights. Hey, scared the crap out of me. I got a chub. Steve's got the first bass in the boat. Nice. There it goes. Steve's on. I need the net. Nice. Cool. Smalley, nice catch. Look at that chub. Another chub. I thought I had a bass that time. But look at the colors on him.
Yeah, it's copper and gold.
Yeah. Got that purple head. It's got those little horns, the horny whatever chub. Pretty neat looking fish.
Where is it?
There you go, buddy. Yeah. Oh. Woohoo! He's crazy.
That's the best.
Oh.
Good one.
Yeah, nice one. Got a beautiful patterns on that one too. All right. Give that guy a kiss.
Yeah, you always get them through here, right?
Yeah. So I got out in the evening after work the other day. Just wanted to share a couple catches in line with the multi-species. Wasn't filming this day, so got another perch here on the Delaware. After that jumbo one, this is only my second that I recall. I mean, I might have came across one, but nice. Got him on the rooster tail. Guys, I'm so excited. I got me a rock bass. It's the first one in a couple years, I think. Doing a little ultralight, multi-species, baby. Check this out, guys. I just got a shad on the rooster tail. Talk about a